Now we're going to talk about wiring. Okay, wiring behind the wall, also wiring towards the espresso machine. And basically, the lower the gauge number, the thicker the wiring as far as either being stranded or solid copper with insulation. The higher the number means the thinner. The higher gauge is a thinner insulated wire. Now, the higher the amps that you have running through, or the higher voltage, you need more insulation that's going to protect the facilities as well as people. So again, wiring can burn behind the wall, wiring can burn on an espresso machine if the proper gauge wiring is not used through from the circuit breaker to the outlet, and then from the outlet to the machine. So not so much things to worry about, but if you're building out a coffee shop or a home with a bar, or you're building out a cafe, you need to make sure the electrician's bringing in the proper circuit breaker as well as use the proper wiring that you're going to need. So all part of the planning stages. Let's go on to the next segment.